Hi guys, today I got a fantastic treat for you. A super simple yet incredibly delicious classic deviled eggs recipe. Whether you're hosting a party, planning a picnic or just craving a tasty snack, these deviled eggs are sure to impress. Let's get started. You want to start by boiling the eggs so that they have enough time to cool. Bring the eggs to boil and allow them to boil for 10 minutes. Then you want to remove them from heat, strain the hot water and fill the pot with cold water. What I like to do is to fill the pot with cold water, then right away rinse off that cold water and rinse the eggs a little bit with the cold water to cool them down, then fill the pot again and allow them to cool completely. In the meantime, we can also prepare the bacon. You want to fry the bacon on medium heat from both sides until it's really crunchy. You want to turn the bacon around a few times so that it cooks beautifully from both sides. Once the bacon is crunchy like this, it's cooked nicely from both sides, you want to remove it onto kitchen paper towels. This will allow to soak the excess fat and make the bacon extra crunchy. Place the bacon on the paper towels, then cover with paper towel and allow the excess fat to be absorbed. And then once the eggs and the bacon have cooled, you can also finely chop the chives and then also chop the cooled bacon really finely so that we have a delicious bacon crumb for the deviled eggs. And now that the eggs are also cooled, we can start assembling the deviled eggs. If you chill the eggs like I showed you in the video, it will be really easy for you to peel the eggs. So you want to start by peeling all of your eggs, and after that you want to halve the eggs and remove the egg yolk into a separate bowl. Then you want to add about 2 tablespoons of mayo to the egg yolks and season with salt and pepper to taste. After that, you want to mash the egg yolks with the mayo with a fork until you have a really creamy texture. I noticed that my egg yolk mix was really dry, so I added about 1 more tablespoon of mayo and continued mashing with a fork until I had a really creamy and smooth egg yolk filling. Then you want to add about half of the chives and about half of the bacon to the egg yolks. Give it a good mix to combine, and then if you like, you can transfer the filling into a piping bag. This will make it easier for you to portion the filling into the egg whites. However, if you don't want to use a piping bag, you can also transfer the filling into the egg whites with a teaspoon. And then evenly transfer the filling into the egg white shells and garnish with some more fresh chives and some crunchy bacon. I hope you enjoyed my classic deviled eggs recipe. Enjoy!